What's up, friends? Your girl Kickin with Quela, and I am back with another video, guys. I am back, and I am back. So, y'all seen that title, y'all seen that thumbnail. Yes, your girlfriend go ahead and prank my uncle again. Yes, I am. Of course, he asked for another ride. So, in the midst of me, as soon as he got off the phone with me, I had to think of this quick bang. I had to go ahead and pull on him real quick while I'm taking him to the store, okay? So I'm gonna basically make it seem like that my car won't start a prank on him. Yes, y'all, I'm gonna be like basically telling him like my car won't start. Have me start this something, y'all. I'm just gonna be making up some stuff, okay? It's just I gotta do what I gotta do, okay? So I know he gonna probably be feeling like salty as ever, because he probably gonna be like, every time I get in this car, which was always something. But y'all know what's so crazy? My uncle don't even know that I do YouTube, y'all. Like, he don't know anything about YouTube and none of that. So he don't even know that I do YouTube. So when he be seeing like my camera and stuff be on, I be telling him it's my car camera and stuff like that. So I'll be like, it's just a car camera, just in case anything happen, God forbid anything happen. He don't know that he getting posted on my YouTube channel. He don't even know. So that's why I keep on getting him, y'all. Like, that's why, and it's fun as ever, okay? So yeah, but y'all, I'm on my way to his house right now, and before I get all the way to this video, y'all already know what I want y'all to do. Go ahead and comment pink hearts down below, because you know that's your girl favorite color, just to let me know that y'all rock with me, okay? I want y'all to like my video, because how I'm gonna know that y'all like my video if y'all don't actually hit the like button. And I'm gonna holler at y'all when I pull up to his house. All right, y'all, so I literally just dropped him off at his first location. I said dropped him off. I literally just took him to his first location. So I'm waiting on him now to come out. So in the midst of me waiting on him to come out, I'm gonna just basically just keep turning my key to make it seem like that my car won't start, okay? Just to get his reaction, y'all. Here you come.
Have a happy holiday. Thank you. I'm gonna try. Yeah, girl, let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you what happened Friday.
What happened?
I said Friday. Let me tell you what happened Sunday. Your mom and Parker went to Save More, right? Mm-hmm. So we went to that liquor store right there on 17th. So we get to the store. I walk in, Parker and mom was sitting in the car. Mm-hmm. So I told old girl, I said, let me get a pint and a pack of cigarettes. I gave her $20. I said, how much is the cigarettes, by the way? She said 9 something. What's wrong with your car?
I don't know. Hold on. What happened? Oh, you can keep talking. I hear you.
I thought your car wouldn't start.
No, it's going.
Oh. No.
I think so. What happened? It's not even.
Maybe you got some shit. You should have left it running.
It's too cold for this. With my car running? You thought I should have left my car running?
Hell yeah. I wasn't gonna be in there that long, like I'm going grocery shopping. Shit.
Probably gotta sit for a minute. You cannot be serious right now.
So you gotta get an upgrade. Get your tax money, go get your new one.
Don't tell me my car won't start. Oh man.
Bucky, a hard motherfucker to answer the phone.
Nah, it's cool. It was like, it did this a couple of days ago.
Maybe you got too much shit hooked up.
What? Like what?
That camera shit. That shit could be draining your battery too.
Nah, this not connected to it.
Oh.
Nah, this is connected to,
You should have never cut it off, man.
That's too cold. Let me see. What we gonna do?
It's your vehicle. You know it better than me.
Nah, it did this the other day. It was doing this the other day. It's cold outside. That's probably what it is.
It ain't that cold. Man. But yeah, I asked the girl how much was the cigarette. She was like 9 something. So I told her, I said, how much is the pint of gin? She was like 8 something.
You think we gotta push it or something out?
Hell no, push it. This ain't no damn stick.
I'm saying, like, I could push the back and you can push the front.
And what that got to do with anything? Did you leave anything on?
Huh?
Man, you better hope you ain't got to call Bucky, shit.
Call him for what, huh?
To get your car going hell.
What he gonna do?
Think he a mechanic for?
No, John, you talking about like some jumping cables? If I can push the back, I mean you can push the back and I can push the front.
And what that gonna do? Shit, you gonna still be in people's way?
What you mean? Push it back to the house.
What you shit? I know damn what you mean push it back to the house. Girl, you shit. You done lost your mind, ain't you? They gonna be pushing this motherfucker up Grant Street. Over that hill. Shit.
Now what was you saying though? We cool. I can just let it sit.
No, I said I gave the bitch a $20 bill.
Oh, there you go.
Everything came to like $17 or something. This dumb bitch gave me $15 back.
Are you serious?
I told your mom, I said, you see me with that 20, right? A $20 bill. She said, yeah. I said, this hoe just gave me back $15 for this pint and a pack of cigarettes, which should have came to 17 and some change.
Wow. Did you say something?
Hell no. I got that money ran out the door. Shit.
I don't blame you.
There was about 3 more people behind me. Shit, I didn't say nothing. I got the fuck on. I could have been nice and said, hey, you gave me too much money. I scooted my ass out that dough. I scooted out that dough, baby. No.
Wow. See, that's all it needs is just like a little push start thing.
And she a young girl in there too. You don't know how to count.
You talking about you don't know how to count?
Man, come on now. I got a $20 bill. You done told me how much it was. The pint was 8 and some change. The cigarettes was 9 and some change. And I gave you a $20 bill. That's 17 and some change.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
This bitch gave me $15 back. I told Pooh, she looked at me, she said, let's get out this parking lot. I said, you sure got that right. She a bulldog.
She look like her booty bigger than mine.
And the bitch got a baby.
Wow.
The boy look like he about 7, 8.
Oh wow.
Don't shut your shit off, man. I shouldn't be that long. How much petrol you got?
What's that?
What?
Gas. Petrol.
Oh, I'm good.
Okay, well don't shut it off then. I ain't gonna be in there that long.
Oh no, it's cool.
Catch right over that way. Next to that truck, cause it's too empty. At least I know where you at.
Yeah.
Nah, I ain't gonna be long in here. Oh, thanks, baby.
You're welcome.
I'll find you.
Dang, oh!
Hey.
What?
Give me that bottle, that little, throw it in the trash.
My car just cut off again. You can't be serious.
Man, you better check and see what's going on.
Yeah, he was too. What happened?
Nothing. When you crank it back up, call Bucky and just tell him to take it up to his shop.
Is the shop open?
Yeah, he open.
This can't be freaking serious. It's too cold for this.
Well, that's on you, shit. Well, I'm just telling you what to do.
He mad as hell, y'all.
What?
I can't leave. I'm right here at the stop sign. I can't just stay right here.
Well, I'm gonna try to push it, man.
Okay.
Put it in drive.
Okay, close the door. I can't. He mad as hell, y'all. Y'all, my uncle mad as hell. He literally, I be getting him good as ever, y'all. For real, for real. He literally just ran in the store, yeah, ran in the store. I had told him that my car had stopped at the stop sign, as y'all can see.
Man, they got them leg quarters on sale.
I don't even like leg quarters. I thought you weren't gonna be long,
No, shit. I ain't long enough.
Oh.
Hey, hold on for a minute, shit. Hold on, I wanna show you something. Hold on.
I can't pull off anyway. Waiting on my brother come give me a jump.
You can't start the car again?
Uncle G, I told you that. I'm waiting. He should be up the street. I know she cold with no socks on.
What is going on with your car?
It's cold. He probably, they told me I need a new battery.
Oh, Boosie?
Yeah. Well, yeah, the shop too told me I need a new battery. So.
You should have told Buck, man. Don't be fucking around like that girl in the cold out here like that, cause shit.
No, they said my battery loose, so I gotta get me a new battery. That's always something.
Man, shit. It's too cold for it. It's supposed to be real heavy snow Monday.
Oh, it's supposed to snow Monday?
It's supposed to snow Friday, but I'm saying next Monday it's supposed to be heavy total snow.
He ain't got no head on his head.
Motherfuckers is gonna come in before Christmas. I told y'all it's gonna hit before Christmas.
I know now.
He ain't gonna be fucking around, boy.
He ain't gonna be, hopefully he won't be long, cause it's cold. You see, I've been standing out here, sitting out here cold.
Man, girl, I don't know. Maybe your car just started doing this. I don't know.
It just started doing this because they said I need a new battery. Yeah. You gonna buy me a new battery, huh?
Yeah.
I don't got no money like that.
I ain't got no goddamn money either. This burner money I got. Shit.
I ain't got no, I told you I don't got no money like that.
He said, well, who say Boosie coming?
Yeah, he should be pulling up any second. I talked to him when you was in the store. That's why I said. So
where he at home?
He said he was coming down the street. Well, leaving the store or something.
Oh.
It's always something. Oh, we.
You got cables or no?
Yeah, he got it in his car.
Oh, okay. Good thing.
It's always something.
Man, motherfuckers got them food stamps. People in there shopping.
Ooh, it's always something.
Hey, just carry your ass home. Just stop leaving this. Let this motherfucker build up on his own. Quit cutting it off. Let it build up. The cells are low. That's what it is. The cells are low in your battery.
What happened?
The cells. It look like water inside your battery. That's the juice that keeps the battery going. Don't shut it off. Now you know not to shut this motherfucker off. Let it run.
It's always something. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness.
You'll be fine.
If it ain't one thing, yes he is. If it ain't one thing, it's another.
Good thing you ain't. See that nigga right there? He was behind me. I seen all that shit he hit. Man, that nigga here mad food.
Wow.
The leg quarters are 89 cents a pound. $3 something for like 6 of them in the bag.
Oh, that's what it was. Dang, that ain't
Girl,
bad.
6 leg quarters. You can cut them bitches in half. That's 12 pieces of chicken. Make a drumstick and a thigh. That's 12 pieces of chicken.
What's the temperature outside?
It ain't that bad. It's probably like 30 something.
That's what I'm talking about.
Just because that wind picking up, that's what it is.
That's what I'm talking about right here. Always something, never fails.
No, you be alright.
Every time you turn around, it's always something. I'm just.
I regret, because see, Tommy could have took me to the store. I could have avoided you, but no, that motherfucker been acting so funny with me and Bertie.
No, I'm mad to take you. That's why I'm saying I don't want you to think.
His old lady be putting that shit in his head.
I
always want you driving her car because the gas ain't going in her car. That's what it is. And y'all need to understand that. She mad because the gas ain't going in her car. And he driving her shit for free.
Ain't nobody thinking about Tommy.
No, I'm just saying.
I know. Yeah,
he nice enough to will carry me and bring me to the store. She just mad. That hoe just mad.
Ain't nobody thinking about her fat ass.
And she is fat too.
She is. I got to laugh to stop from crying. It's always something.
I'm gonna step out there. I gotta see you.
You want to just push you to the house,
Huh?
I say you want to just push you to the house.
Nigga, quit talking to me like that. You can't push a shit to no house. What's wrong with
you? Yeah. I play too much. It is cold as hell out here, y'all. It's like, let me see, what's the temperature out here, y'all? I play too much. Okay, now for real, when he come back in here from smoking the cigarette, I'ma just be like, see if it started up. I be pissing him off, y'all. Oh shit. She was
I'm sorry you going through this, man. God damn. Yeah, you drop me off. Don't even cut this motherfucker off.
What you say, Aunt?
Don't cut it off once you get me to the crib.
Yeah.
Don't cut it off.
Yeah.
Let this motherfucker build on his own.
Yeah, that's what I was doing while you was in the store, so hopefully it could start up.
No, you should have never shut it off. He would have built on his own. You got plenty of gas here. I wasn't gonna be in there all damn day, all night.
And my scarf keep coming off. Let me see if it build up. You think it build up already?
Try it. It don't hurt to try.
Look at God. See? He's showing up and showing out. Let's get this car around this corner.
Help.
Yeah,
I was gonna tell you.
What happened?
Hey man.
Let me put my seatbelt on.
Oh yeah, me too. Shit.
See, that's what I'm talking about.
Listen. A head of lettuce is $4.
Oh, that's a lot.
A lot. The motherfuckers went with $1.49 a couple weeks ago.
Why y'all don't get the shredded lettuce?
She don't like that.
Really? That's cheaper.
Good thing I did get the cheese for 2 for $4. And the tomatoes, it was $4 in a pack. They wanted almost $4 for them.
Oh wow.
And then I got the seasoning. It was $1.29 when it used to be 89 cents a pack. That's the other goddamn 40, 50 cents on.
And those condos over there, I like them. Yeah, I think those like probably own condos. But I ain't moving nowhere.
Is, but I know one thing. I bet you gonna pay an arm and a leg for them son bitches. Yeah, I'm gonna get me another nip and I'm in for the night. Don't even shut this motherfucker off. I'm just going to the store and come right out.
Yeah, I'm not. I already know.
No, it's too cold. It's getting cold, man. Snow about to come
That's
in.
why I said I thought you maybe wanted to push it.
I ain't pushing this motherfucker. Girl, you
No, I was gonna help you.
Man, you crazy as hell.
No, when my brothers come.
Yeah, okay.
I was gonna help you.
You think I was gonna push this motherfucker to Birdhouse? You crazy.
It was only across the street. I was gonna help you because when my brother come, I was gonna do that.
I was gonna help you sit it right there until he got there. We'd have been two motherfuckers sitting, waiting to get this motherfucker going.
Nah, it ain't mine. You act like I got a big car or something, Oh, you know what I do got a taste for? I got a taste.
Right there on your side.
Yeah, I see
that
it.
little orange little piece standing there.
I want me 2 Polish, 2 hot dogs from the village.
Cause
Oh, I can go for that right now. But nah, I'm cool. I need to save up my little money.
You better save up your little money. You better goddamn it get your ass back across that way. Motherfucker stall on you again unless you playing games.
Playing, cause my car, what games I'm playing? That's my car.
You better be real about it. Shit, baby.
I don't play. I get straight to business.
Don't shut this motherfucker off. I'm coming right out.
Nope, I'm not. I got you. I gotta fix my scarf though.
Oh yeah, do that, but you ain't gotta shut it off.
I'm getting them, y'all.
Did you want to go get you something to eat?
I don't know.
Go ahead, I'll ride with you as long as you don't shut this motherfucker off.
No, I'm okay. Cause I'm trying to say.
Damn it. Okay.
I'm good.
Okay. I'm just saying, if you want to get you some of these shit, the house ain't going nowhere.
I'm good. I had to charge my stuff up.
Just go and make it home safe. That's all I'm worrying about.
I had to lock the door because I ain't trying.
I'm just saying, because I don't want your car to stop on you nowhere and then you fuck.
I know, I'm good.
Oh man, shit. Too much shit going on out here too. Niggas ain't trying to help you nowadays and you a girl by yourself. You know
no, they come up to me, they gonna be coming up to the wrong car.
Cause
I got something waiting on them.
I hear you.
I don't play.
Chicago ain't playing.
I ain't playing.
I know that your mama don't play either. She keep her shit on her.
Sure, I'm just like her. I don't play.
I know that.
Run up on me if you want to. You gonna regret it. What you say on? It's gonna be a lot of sad songs and slow driving.
Sure will.
They gonna have to be getting they black. They all black.
That back road and came up.
I probably should have, right? I'm always trying to make stuff hard on myself.
Can you help me with these groceries real fast? Just leave the car running real quick. I got the key to the house.
Yeah, I ain't gonna turn the car.
Pull close to the edge as you can so people can just get around you.
Yeah, I am.
Yep. Just don't cut this motherfucker off. Let it run. Ain't nobody gonna bother your car.
Well, my car, yeah.
Ain't nobody gonna bother your car. Nobody gonna bother your car. If you ain't got time to talk to birds, just do what you gotta do and come on.
Right.
Get back in your car. Tell them your car keep stopping.
Don't tell me it stopped again. Did it?
No, girl.
Oh, I thought, no, I finished. I was, woo.
Your car quiet, man.
Oh, that's what it is.
Come on. Quick, would you come on?
It was just a prank. You heard me, Unc?
What?
It was just a prank.
Come on.
I literally just dropped my uncle off at home, y'all. He was not trying to hear me saying it was a prank. Like, I don't know. He, like, he just kept on, like, telling me grab the bed. Even when I told you it was a prank, he just kept on telling me grab the beds and stuff. He just said, okay, grab the beds, grab the beds. When you get in my car, you bound to get pranked. Like, that's it, that's all. You bound to get pranked and you bound to get what I'm gonna give you, okay? I mean, it's not no other way to say it, okay? So, this was a banger, y'all. Like, I knew it was gonna be. Like, baby, whenever I leave the house, I pick up my camera and cause I gotta do what I gotta do, okay? That's it, that's all. So, thank you, babies, for tuning into my videos, y'all. Make sure y'all comment pin cards down below to let me know that y'all watch my video all the way to the end. Also, to make sure that y'all supporting me, okay? And furthermore, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Oh, look at the house, y'all. That house is pretty. Y'all probably really didn't see it. But make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all can be notified when your girl Kickin' with Quela drop these bangers. because they coming for us in 2022, and that's what, period, y'all. Period. And I'm gonna see y'all in another video.